How to make a line graph in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make line graph on Google Sheets. Let's get started. First, open your Google Sheet where you have the student and marks data. Take a moment to review the information. Now let's create a line graph for this data. To do this, click and drag to select all the relevant data points. Once the data is selected, navigate to the Insert menu. From there, click on Chart. A chart will be inserted based on the selected data, typically a bar graph. On the right side of the screen, you will see various chart options. Since we want to create a line graph, locate the chart type, options and select line. Now your line graph is created. You can further customize it by adjusting colors to make it visually appealing. To change the colors, click on the chart to select it. Then on the right side, look for options like Customize or Chart Style. From there, you should find Setting to modify colors and other visual elements. And there you have it. You have successfully created a line graph for your student and marks data in Google Sheets. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe button. I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye bye.